So now inside the vehicle, so above the fridge, you've got your main 12-volt control panel. So first of all, this little green light indicates that we are hooked up on mains 240 volt, as we've got the hookup lead in. And then this switch here turns the vehicle on and off. So if you're hooked up, you'll have mains 230 volt. If you're not, you will just have 12 volt off your leisure battery. Next to it, you've got the light switch, the master switch for the lights, which are all individually switched around the vehicle. You've got your pump here. So the picture of the tap's your pump. So should you use taps, toilet or shower, you must make sure the pump's on to pressurise the water. And then next to it, you do have your awning light, which is the light above the habitation door on the outside of the vehicle. Down here, these buttons correspond with these symbols on the side. So first of all, you've got the top one, which is the picture of the truck, which is your Ford engine battery reading, which is in the green there, fully charged. Then next one down, you've got the trailer, which is your leisure battery reading, again fully charged. And then you've got your water, so this is fresh water, which is half a tank, and when that goes to red, it means it needs refilling with fresh water. And when it goes down here red, it means your wastewater is full. If you did want to dim this panel for the people sleeping up in this bed, you would just press and hold, and you can dim or brighten the panel depending if you can't see it or if it is too bright for on an evening. Next to it, you've got your wabasto diesel heating. So to start the diesel heater off, you've got to make sure you've got a quarter of a tank of diesel or more in the main tank. Start it at full blast, give it a couple of minutes, and then you can adjust it to the temperature that you want. Don't be alarmed if the lights start flashing. This is because the 12 volt for the wabasto is wired through the lighting circuit. But what a lot of people recommend is, if it does start flickering, it's because it's taking such a high voltage of power from the leisure battery. You may want to just start your engine when starting this before you knock your engine off when you arrive on site. But make sure you've got a quarter of a tank of diesel in for this to work, otherwise it won't work.